Hello. Okay. So what I got here is a Lego engine that runs off of air. Well, off of vacuum. Now the reason I have this tire thing on here is just to make a better seal so it can, you know, run better. So basically what happens is right here I have the piston which will go boom boom, and I have a valve right here and a valve right here. So when this valve opens, it sucks in air, and then the piston will be at the bottom. The piston will be shot up. This valve is closed, and then while it reaches the top, this valve closes, and then this valve opens, and then this valve will draw in air, being powered by the flywheel here. And then it reaches the bottom. The whole cycle continues. This one opens, sucks up the piston, this one closes, this one opens, then this one sucks in air, then this one closes, then this one opens, and again, just like that. I'll show you that. There's no motors or anything in here. I just hold the top so it doesn't go anywhere. Come on. So you can see it kind of works. You saw it was working. It's really finicky since there's not. Oh, oops! Sorry, I just hit my shelf with my back. It's really finicky. Like there's so much leakage and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, but you know it was really fun to create because it was a challenge, and there's not too many Lego engines that I've seen, or like this. So yeah, that's my video.